Hi, so this is the select by points tool of the dynamic modeler. So let me select the model node. Now I create the fiducial, and now I'm going to select it to create selection scalars. Create new models, fibula, paint, selected. Okay, and select the fiducial I created and click apply. So it's selected. So let me add points. Click apply and it selects it. It generates scalars. I can leave on apply and update. So it has two modes of selection algorithm. One is a sphere radius. The other is geodesic distance. The results doesn't change much in this example, but in other complex meshes it can change a bit. Okay, I'm going to turn off automatic update, and I'm going to select. I'm going to hide this model. I'm going to create another model. So I'm going to click apply, and now it has created. So let me change the color. So there it is, the selection, and as you can see, it is cropped. So it's only the selection of the fibula that that has been selected. So this is useful for partial surface registration that I'm going to present on another video. Thank you.